In my today's presentation, I'm going to show you 5 best places I visited in my small country, Lebanon, that I recommend you to visit as well. Number 1 is the Monastery of Saint Anthony. It's one of my favorite places that is filled with peace, quietness, and serenity. Number 2 is Raushi Siwak. It's claimed to be the remains of a sea monster, which is very interesting. Number 3 is the Jaita Guada. It finds a spot in the new 7 wonders of the natural world list. And it's covered in limestone as well. Number 4 is Jbel Byblos. It's possibly the oldest city in the world. Number 5 is Our Lady of Lebanon. This statue is one of the most visited touristic sites in Lebanon. And that's everything for today, and thank you so much for watching.